So I'm about to give away something that took me weeks to build. Most AI UGC tutorials show you how to make simple videos using simple prompts, and nobody is showing you the actual system underneath for making AI UGC videos like this.
Wait, so you're saying that most electrolytes we've been drinking this whole time actually do nothing?
So I built 2 Claude skills that fix this, and I use this system for my own projects and for my clients, and results really do speak for themselves. Today, I'm sharing the whole workflow, including these 2 skills for absolutely free. I'll leave a link for them in the description down below. So I have my laptop over here, and the first thing you need to do is just download a zip file from the link down below. Open Claude, go to Customize, then Skills, click the plus icon and hit Create Skill. Click Upload a Skill and upload both zip files one by one. Now let's use it. So podcast style and interview style videos are absolutely crushing it right now in UGC. They work for physical products, digital products, really anything. So I found this reference video right here. I want to make something exactly like this. 2 people talking in a podcast setting just for a electrolyte product. So I'll open Claude Cowork and activate UGC decoder, which is one of the skills that you get. The reason I'm using Cowork is because it lets you to upload videos directly into Claude, and you can just download Claude Cowork and use it the same way as you're using Claude on the browser. I drop in the reference video together with this prompt and click send. The only thing you need to adjust in this prompt is your product, and the skill we installed is already optimized to apply the same principles for any product you want, so it builds completely unique setup each time. Now Claude reads through the entire video frame by frame, and in about 5 minutes it breaks down the whole structure. This might look overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's actually very simple. We just follow the steps one by one. So the first thing we need is the actual characters who will be talking in our video. So I'll just ask Claude to give me prompts to generate both characters, which will then be animated into all of the scenes. Now here's where Topview Canvas comes in, and this is where the magic happens. Topview Canvas lets you create AI videos by designing the storyboard first. It feels more like working in Figma than using a traditional video editor. Everything happens in one place: character creation, storyboard building, and the actual video generation. If you want to try this yourself, I'll leave a link for Topview Canvas in the description below. So I log into Topview and open Canvas. Click Start Creating and click AI Image on the left sidebar right here. Select GPT Image 2, set the format to vertical 9:16 and leave the quality at 2K. I drop in the first character prompt we got from Claude and just hit generate. And just like that, we have our first character ready. Now I could animate it into a video right away by clicking generate video, but let's get the second character done first, so we have everything ready before we start animating. Same process, drop in the second prompt and hit generate. Now I personally really like how the first image came out. The second one looks good, but maybe a little too polished and clean, to be honest. So I'll go back to Claude and ask it to generate a new prompt to achieve a more realistic look. I just tell that the second character came out looking too polished and ask it to improve the prompt. After we got a new prompt, just drop it into Canvas and hit generate. All right, much better now. But now we have a slight background inconsistency between the 2 characters, as you can see. So I'll go back to Claude one more time and ask for a new prompt, so the first character appeals in a matching background. And this is exactly the kind of thing I want to show you, by the way, the real problems that come up when you build this and how to fix them, right? I'll drop in the new prompt and this time select 3 generations instead of 1, so I have more options to choose from. And just like that, we get 3 new images, and now the backgrounds are matching perfectly. And never take for granted a small details like this, because this is what separates mediocre AI content from ultra realistic results. I'll pick this one as our final character. Now that we have both characters ready, we can start animating them and constructing the full video. And here's why I love using Claude skills for this. Instead of guessing what to do next, I'll just drop a screenshot of both generated character images into Claude and type in this prompt. And just like that, we have a full step-by-step breakdown of exactly what to do to build this entire video. As you can see, step 1 was opening Canvas and generating the characters, so we can move on to step 2, which is generating scene 2 for speaker B. Here's the full prompt, including the script. he needs to deliver. I'll copy this prompt and head back to Canvas in Topview, select the character image I want to animate and click generate video. Drop in the whole prompt, make sure Seedance 2.0 is selected, format is 9:16. I'll set this one to 5 seconds and hit generate. And there we go, our first video clip is ready.
Yeah, and the reason why is something almost no one in the industry wants to talk about.
This scene plays right after the hook, which we will generate in step 7. Now let's move on to the next step. Same process, copy the prompt, select the reference character image, drop in the prompt with the same settings and hit generate. And here's the second clip.
Your cells need the right mineral ratio to actually absorb the water. Without it, the water just passes straight through you.
Now for the next steps, we have scene 5, 6, and 7. I'm going to speed run through these scenes and generate all of them back to back using the prompts, settings, and instructions that Claude gave us. All right, the generations are done, and honestly, I'm amazed by how well these came out.
Magnesium is the one people always forget, and it's the one that actually helps your muscles recover and keeps you from cramping.
The hand movements, the gestures, everything just feels incredibly real. And the voice actually stayed consistent, which is the beauty of using Canvas on Topview. Everything lives in one place, your characters, your scenes, your generations, all consistent and organized. Now let's generate scene 8, which features speaker A. Copy the prompt, head back to Topview Canvas, select the character, click generate video, drop in the prompt with the same settings and just hit generate. And there we have the scene number 8.
And it's the only electrolyte I actually drink now.
All right, we just need 2 more things. Scene number 4 is going to be static image, so we can make it with GPT image 2, but I also gonna need an extra clip from speaker B, which will play on top of that image. And scene number 1, which is going to be the hook. And I want to be honest there with you, okay guys? I personally have not done a single regeneration throughout this entire animation build. Every clip you saw was generated on the first try. And that's what the right prompting actually going to achieve for you. The amount of credits this is going to save you is insane. And imagine how much time you would have spent figuring all of this out yourself from scratch, like designing the whole video structure. And the same way we decoded this reference video and build the entire structure, you can apply this exact same process to any UGC video out there, because these skills are optimized for every popular UGC format. Or if you don't have a reference video at all, what you can do, you can just open Claude once you finish installing the skills, and then you can briefly describe what type of video you want to build and construct the whole thing step by step together with Claude. And if you want to take this even further, Topview Canvas also has a built-in AI agent that helps you brainstorm and manage your creative assets directly inside the tool. Now let's finish the whole thing. I will build scene 4 by copying this prompt into GPT image 2 right here on the same canvas. And while that's generating, I'll generate scene number 1, which involves animating both characters with their individual prompts. And just like that, everything is ready. Step number 8 in our Claude breakdown shows us the final assembly order. So I'll just download all of the scenes, drop them into my editing software following this exact order, cut them together and add captions. And here is the final video.
Wait, so you're saying that most electrolytes we've been drinking this whole time actually do nothing? Yeah, and the reason why is something almost no one in the industry wants to talk about. Your cells need the right mineral ratio to actually absorb the water. Without it, the water just passes straight through you. The two you always hear about are sodium and potassium. And yes, you need both. But the ratio matters more than the amount. Most drinks get this completely wrong. Magnesium is the one people always forget, and it's the one that actually helps your muscles recover and keeps you from cramping. And then we added coconut water concentrate as the base because it's the fastest natural source of electrolytes your body can actually use. That's what makes the formula work. It's the ratio and the source together. And it's the only electrolyte I actually drink now. Like, I tried everything before this.
This format could literally become a series for your brand. That's what I recommend for the brands that I work with myself, to have some sort of series that you can make consistently. And once you finish building your first video together with Claude using these skills, what you can do is you can just ask Claude to give you 20 more UGC video topics for your specific product in this exact format. Or you can just get creative and say, look, I want different format. I want street interview format. I want a casual UGC format. You can just get so creative and just keep brainstorming and generating these new ideas. This format is also very great for retargeting ads or just organic content in general. Now, before you go and build this yourself, a few things to keep in mind. Always generate one scene first, just like I did myself, and check it before generating everything else. You don't want to waste credits on animating images that don't look that good, that don't look ultra realistic, because then your videos is not going to come out looking the way you want. Using the storyboard first generation using Canvas on Topview can drastically improve the success rate of your AI video output. Because as you saw, when we are generating the video, the voice actually stayed consistent across multiple clips. And if you were to generate videos like that individually, there's a risk that your voice can literally be different in each clip, and then you can't really construct the whole thing. And instead of generating blindly and wasting credits, you plan everything out visually into Canvas. And once your storyboard is ready, you can generate the final video with Seedance 2.0 directly inside the tool. Make sure you save your Canvas, because once you build a workflow that works, you can literally reuse it. That's the whole point of this system, because then you can just swap certain images with different prompts and continuously keep building your AI UGC content. Both Claude skills, along with all of the prompts and the link for Topview Canvas, are down in the description below. If you found this useful, consider subscribing, because I'm building more of these systems and sharing them for free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.